Welcome back, guys, Cryptofly channel. What if I told you there's a Bitcoin indicator that literally tracks when miners are giving up and whales are loading up? And yes, it has predicted some of the best buying opportunities in BTC history. But guys, it's just in theory. Today, I want to talk about hash ribbons indicator. Miners capitulate and whales accumulate. The hash ribbons indicator is one of the most underrated tools in crypto. It's based on two simple things. Just the 30 days moving average, this one, SMA, and 60-day moving averages of Bitcoin hash rate. This is just SMA, and I will show you how the indicator looks like. The logic is, so when the short-term EMA drops below the long-term one, it signals a decline in mining power. This moment is known as a miner capitulation, when mining becomes so unprofitable that miners shut down their rigs and start selling their BTC reserve. But here is where it gets more interesting. During this phase, liquidity floods the market, not because of hype, but because miners are forced to sell to survive. This forced selling creates massive opportunities for smart money, the whales and institutionals, to scoop up the BTC at discount prices. It's not some magic because all market moves from one liquidity pool to another one liquidity pool, from volume to volume. And when the miners sell their reserves of BTC, some institutional use that liquidity to grab all BTC and push the price higher. Of course, the hash ribbon, it's not like crystal ball, and I want to show you on different time frames how it works, so you will understand it's not like magic. You just turn on one single indicator and wait the signal to buy. But like additional tool, you can find it on TradingView. Type in indicators hash. There's a lot of different hash ribbons indicator, but basically everybody use this one, most popular one. So when we turn on the indicator in settings, we can see there's a ribbons or oscillator, hash rate short SMA days for 30 days, 60 days, plot signal, plot halvings, plot raw hash rate, and source hash rate from the website into the block. In settings, I'm not change anything. Take a look, just like example, how it works on the daily time frame. March 2025. This was a signal of capitulation at 81K, around 82K. But after that signal of capitulation miners, we drop it 11% more. The signal to buy here appeared in March 2025 here, March 24 at lowest point 85,500, but even from that 85,500 we drop it 13% down. That's why on the daily time frame, basically we can't say it's playing out like crazy signal for speculation. Maybe like investment for long run, of course it can be probably the good one, but maybe not on the daily time frame. Take a look, the buy. So let's say here, if you even buy at a bottom, after that we drop like 6% and 8%. Yes, of course, on a distance, BTC after the signal to buy pumped at 14%. It's on a daily. This another example, like buy. Here was a buy in June, Wednesday 23. We drop it down 3%. So, all right, on the daily time frame, you can see examples how it works. Let's go to the weekly time frame. I use, by the way, the Bitstamp charts to check the bigger history of the BTC. Weekly time frame. So the last two signals or three signals to buy was here. From that low signal to buy, we drop it down 10% and pump 50%. Good call in Monday 24 March. This one signal to buy was here. We drop it 4% and pump 20%. Good one. This one Monday 21 June. Signal to buy at lowest point 114K500. We'll see how this signal this time playing out. If we will pump, for example, 20%, let's say from this low, It can be around here, around my target 139.37. This one. We will see. We will see. But anyway, we can see even the corrections. Let's take a look the monthly time frame. Here's a buy signal, was pretty good one. We dropped just 8% and pump 127. It was a good call in June 2024. Another one signal to buy was here. Also the good call. 654% from that low. Good call. And now we're in the capitulation. No signals yet for this month. This indicator works only for BTC because it's about the miners, BTC hash rate of mining, and it's not about the altcoin. Also, this indicator not showing you where to sell. So just in case, highly recommend you guys go and check this indicator if you're interested in it. So guys, I hope you like this video. You can find this indicator on TradingView, subscribe channel, and don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.